Good morning! Happy Monday everyone! Mag-breakfast ko, pansit palabok, parehong pansit canton at hot coffee. Tara, let's eat! Unahin ko ang pansit palabok. Nilagyan ko na ng kalamansi. Origami, pansit palabok. Ito naman ang pansit canton. Hardly kami ng anak ko, kaya dalawang klase yan. Okay, guys. Ito ang match with coffee. Thanks for watching.